akí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí à ń wò wá à ń ṣe ìpàdé ní Ministry of Culture and Tourism ti ilẹ̀ olómìnira Benin ní ọjọ́ kẹfà oṣù kẹfà ọdún 2024 lórí excursion tí àwọn gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ Aebajiogbe ṣe wá ṣe ní ilẹ̀ olómìnira Benin, ní èyí tí a ṣe àlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ fún ìjọba, ní èyí tí wọ́n sì ní láti fún Minister Culture and Tourism ní àbọ̀ ìpàdé yìí. Àwọn tá a ṣe ìpàdé yìí ni èmi Oloye Tolulase Oguntosin kábíyèsí Alájàṣẹ́ àti àwọn olóyè tó kù pẹ̀lú àwọn ìjọba ilẹ̀ olómìnira Benin nípa tourism, nítorí àwọn ọmọ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wa fẹ́ wá fún tourism.
You have it in YouTube. Okay. Our YouTube channel, when you go to our YouTube channel, Oduduwa Alphabetic, you see everything, video and how to teach, how to learn the alphabet. So you can learn the alphabet through YouTube without teacher. Okay. You can learn everything in class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. So all these 5 classes, 2 weeks. You go through the whole 5 classes in our class on air. We teach on air. Okay. Well, this alphabet, we read this alphabet, we write it from right to left. Yes. Now, this alphabet is A, yes. A, B, G, O, B, D, F, T, E, O, L, W, U, M, Ni, I, Hu, Re, Si, She, Ki, Gi, Ye, Be, 25 alphabet. But for those who want to write English or French, we now convert to alphabet the way the white men create GB, B. Our sound, B, they don't have. They use 2 to create it for us. We now use 2 as well. We use, this is C. We use T and C. Okay. T and C to create C. This is Q. We use K and U to create Q. This is V. We use F. F is far. F and I, V. Then X. We use the letter E, and then She for X. Then Z. We use C and D for Z. So for those who want to write, they write it. We train them how to write it like that. So this is our future. We black race, because the history of the alphabet make the alphabet the first alphabet on earth. Because there's a place called Idori in Ondo State. There's a high hill in Idori, very big hill. People are living on the hill. 800 years ago, they came down. But something was written on the hill. They call it unreadable letter. When you go to your phone, you write unreadable letter at Idori Hill, Ondo State. You will see the hill and you see the letters. It was there more than, they said more than 10,000, 20,000 years. It was there. Nobody knows what is there, but they call it unreadable letter. They call it unreadable letter. So on the rock, it was using this. It was the alphabet they used to write the alphabet. Last year was the first day we read the alphabet for the first time. I was the one who discovered the alphabet, and I was the one who read the alphabet. When I read the alphabet to the king now said, this sound of the alphabet is exactly what happened over there. Because over there, the mountain want them to come down. They now come down, they leave the mountain. They now living down. So the meaning of what is written there is Ikilonimi. That is what is written there. Nobody knows it until last year. We wish the governor of Ondo State now embrace it. We are planning to let people know that it's now readable through the alphabet. So the history of the mountain made the alphabet the first alphabet on earth, the most ancient alphabet on earth, because it was written years back, like more than the age of Adam. They said. So nobody knows. So this is the Minister of Interior. Is now recently former minister. Yes. When he was the governor of Osun State, he was the one promoting the alphabet. When he was the minister, he promoted that well. So he is ready to work together with us in Benin to promote the alphabet, which is him. The mayor of Porto-Novo with the government of Osun State are the people who join hands together and give our students certificate at Oloye University last year, February 17. So the both of them did that, and the governor of Osun State did that for us. So that is why their picture is here. So when we now move further, in our history, we want the Minister of Culture and Tourism also to always appear on our things like this, so that because we are planning in our plan, we are going to write another letter very soon that he should be our patron, just as the minister is our patron. So we want him also to be our patron, the Minister of Culture here. So we are going to write that letter very soon, maybe in a week or 2 weeks' time. So, and the contact of him, he said we should give it to the minister. I'll give you now. So anytime they can talk on here. So they are the one to fix the date for us now. We are not using our date in our letter. We are going to use the date. Him, minister, and other people involved. We'll say that before. So that is.
Thank you very much. Oui, tout à fait.
Il faudra prendre le contact donc du ministre.
Thank you
so
very much.
you can tell us something.
Yes, it's great. You are a kind of what French call champollion to discover. The man who discovered Egyptian writing.
We discovered the ancient alphabet.
Yes.
So and this is the
Champollion Fidal.
we use this. This is calendar.
Yeah.
We use it for calendar. The numbers. This is 2024 calendar. So we're writing on the letter. Very soon.
Yes, I'm curious to learn it and to use it.
Yes, it's very easy to use. It's under 2 weeks. You know how to use it. You can also know how to use it. I can give you a private teacher. No, I'll give you a private teacher to teach you on WhatsApp.
I'm lucky. Okay.
Yes, I'll give you a private teacher.
Ce n'est pas difficile.
When I give you a private teacher in a week, in a week you write anything you like. The alphabet under a week, the whole alphabet will come into your brain automatically.
Surely.
Whether you like it or not, once you give the teacher audience a week, you will write without looking at anything. You can try it and you tell the minister that you write under, you start writing. People will just start writing without looking at anything. 1 week. So I'll have your number. I'll give you a private teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
And also madam as well. I tell you know.
I suppose you can you can use this alphabet to write any African language.
Yes, that is why.
Not only Yoruba, I'm saying.
We used to write all African language because we have students for English language. We have students for French language. When we come to minister will call one student and say something. The student will now go and write it. Another student will now read. So we raise it. We have students for English, French, Yoruba, Arabic, and also is free for all language if you want. But in order not to let people think that maybe you want to change the language of the world to one language, no. But it's Yoruba alphabet, and it's the Black heritage. The Oduduwa was the one who found the alphabet. So every generation or every friend of Oduduwa are entitled to use it if they want. So that is it.
Ibi tí ìpàdé yìí parí sí ni àwọn èèyàn wa wọ́n jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé ní mínísítì àwọn máa jẹ́ kí a lọ sí gbogbo àwọn ibi tó yẹ ká lọ fún excursion nírọ̀rùn àti security. Àwọn lè sọ fún mínísítà tàwọn láti mínísítì tàwọn gbogbo àwọn mínísítà tó kù wọ́n á mọ̀ nípa intervention yìí. Certificate wa ni ẹ̀ ń wò yìí tàfi register ní Nàìjíríà. Ìpàdé wa tá ṣe lé ní ìpàdé oyin ni. Àwọn mínísítà tó kù wọ́n á máa fún yín ní àbọ̀ tiwọn náà lórí excursion wa àti ìgbàwé ẹ̀rí wa. Ẹ ṣé o, ó dàbọ̀.